beautiful Greenland. Now this place, one can set a good golf club right there. According to my own opinion. So guys, I want us to take a walk in the woods. Just to explore a little. No, not every time you walk in the city. It is the only place you can feel or get the fresh breeze. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in case you're new, please subscribe, like, comment, and support your guy. And please don't forget to click that notification bell. So guys, I want us to take a walk in the woods and see beautiful natural land. And yeah, just like that, we enjoy, we walk together, we explore. So let's see this beautiful, adventurous woodland. See, you can only get peace in such kind of environment. You know, just like me, when I want to have peace, if I'm not near the beach, then the woods only can accompany me and give me a fresh mind. You know, not every time you go to a bars, take toxic drinks. Only you can get peace by taking yourself to peaceful places like this. And I see that beautiful beehive over there. That's a beehive, guys. That's where you can get honey. And the good thing, you can't get honey in the city. You only can find honey in the woods. So guys, let's keep exploring. Let's keep walking. Let's explore the naturally Mother Earth. Check the views, guys. One cool place. I'm even thinking of sitting right here and get a nice, beautiful shade. I feel relaxed when I'm right here. And guys, I see something like a dam right here. I think we're gonna peep a little. Let's check right here. Then we just close the video for today. Oh yes, guys. Wow. One can find fish here. You can get free fish from right here. You know, if water comes like this, you know, this place was fenced all around. So all the water that are collected from different territories come right here. So for those who are brave enough, if someone is nearby right here, can have a beautiful farm, and yeah, that's how you get food. You just come with your generator, pump water, and you grow your food, you harvest, then everything is good. So guys, let's pass by that house and see how beautiful people arrange their gardens. And before doing that, let's say hi to this little creature right here, guys. Oh. The real beauty of nature. Beautiful grassland. Beautiful environment. Beautiful gardens. And a beautiful place to live. Such a beautiful neighborhood. There's a beautiful